In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open PBIX file in Power BI. A PBIX file is the standard Power BI report file. It packages your data model, queries, measures, and visuals into one project you can open, explore, and edit in Power BI Desktop. We'll walk through the simplest path to get a PBIX open, and I'll share a few tips so you know what to expect as it loads. First, launch your Microsoft Power BI Desktop app. You can open it from the Start menu or by searching for Power BI Desktop on your computer. If it's your first time in a while, give it a moment to start. The splash screen may appear while the app initializes. If your organization manages updates, it's a good idea to be on a recent version to avoid any compatibility messages when opening files created on newer builds. Once the app is open, head to the menu in the top left corner and select File. This is where you'll find the common commands for creating, opening, and saving reports. If you prefer shortcuts, you can also use the standard Open command from your keyboard, but using the menu keeps everything clear. Next, choose Open from the File menu. This brings up your options for where to find existing reports. You'll see choices like recent files and cloud locations if you use them, but we're going to open a file stored on this computer. Select Browse this device. This opens your system's file picker so you can navigate to the folder that contains your PBIX. If you don't immediately see your file, check that the file type filter at the bottom of the window is set to show Power BI files, or simply choose to display all files. Navigate to the correct folder, and then click once on the PBIX file you want to open to highlight it. Make sure you have permission to access the location if it's on a network drive. With the file selected, click Open. Power BI will begin loading the report. Depending on the size of the model and visuals, this can take a moment. During this process, you might see prompts about data sources, privacy levels, or credentials if the report is configured to connect to external data. You can proceed without refreshing if you only need to view the existing report, or provide credentials later when you're ready to refresh the data. Once the report opens, you'll land in Report View. Use the Page tabs at the bottom to navigate, and explore the Fields, Visualizations, and Filters panes on the right to understand how the report is built. That's all it takes to open a PBIX in Power BI. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.